Jesus, the light of the world, as you celebrate your birth, may you begin to see the world, the light of understanding you give, as you choose the lonely, the outcast, the poor, to receive the greatest news of the world as ever known. We, Club Acoustica, worship Jesus in weakness of heart with our carols, carol bells, Devaledan, and deck the halls. Wishing you in advance a Merry Christmas and happy listening.
Hear all the bells, glad Christmas bells, hear what they say, this joyous day, Jesus is born, this Christmas morn, be of good cheer, Jesus is here, dim Cornish Bay, this Christmas day, be in his thing, welcome your king, ring loud and strong, sing out a song, hear all the year, tidings of cheer, ring Christmas bells, toll loud and long, your message sweet, be let prolong. Come, Lord, people, join in the singing, repeat the story told by the ring. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Hear all the bells, glad Christmas bells. Hear what they say, this joyous day. Jesus is born, this Christmas morn. Be of good cheer, Jesus is here. Come, Amish Bay, this Christmas day. Furiously sing, welcome your tree. Ring loud and strong, sing out a song. There all may hear tidings of cheer. Ring Christmas bells, toll loud and long. Your message sweet, be let prolong. Come, all the people, join in the singing. Repeat the story told by the ring. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Hear all the bells, glad Christmas bells. Ding dong, Jesus is born. thee. True, we never carry peril. True, the ancient youth had carol.
Up on the rooftop, ranger paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down to the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys.
Whoa, ho, ho.
Who wouldn't go?
Whoa, ho, ho.
Who wouldn't go?
Up on a rooftop,
Click, click, click.
down to the chimney where
Good Saint Nick.
take those
He's
bits,
up on the rooftop.
take those
He's
bits,
up on the rooftop.
take those
He's
bits.
up on the rooftop.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fa-la-la-la, whoa, whoa, fa-la-la-la, whoa, whoa, fa-la-la-la, whoa, whoa, fa-la-la-la.
Take the whole
See the place and you before us. Fa-la-la-la-la, la-la-la-la. Strike the up and join the chorus. La-la-la-la-la-la, la-la. Full of million merry mentions. Fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sing Victorian songs again. Fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Whoa-ho-ho.
Who would go?
Whoa-ho-ho.
Who would go?
Up on the rooftop,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
whoa, 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 Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ooh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ooh. Happy birthday to you.
Go ahead, celebrate with Monjani's.
To judge this competition, that is Monjanis Caroling All Goa Christmas Carol Singing Competition, organized by Prudent, we had judges Carlos Gracious and Father Lean Fernandez. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for our judges. It's indeed a pleasure to have a chief guest like the one who is with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Gorak Mandrekar. At present, he's working as member secretary of Institute Menezes Braganza Hall in Panjim, where we are here right now. Well, before I reveal the results, I'd like to give a token of love to the judges as well as the chief guest. I request Pradeep Padgaonkar to kindly give away the memento. I request Sonia Kukarkar, the General Manager Prudent, to kindly give the token to Mr. Gorak Mandrekar. Well, that's the way we say watch Prudent and be prudent.
Monjanis and Prudent Media, with collaboration, organizes this carol singing, and judges and the officers of the Prudent Media and Monjanis, and my dear friends, carol singing is the right time now because we know that Christmas is approaching, and this is the very good activity organized by Prudent Media and Monjanis for you people. So participation, I feel that participation is very important. Prizes are not important because you show your talents and where you know what is the actually your stand. And once again, I congratulate all the participants and also the Prudent Media and Monjanis.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to reveal. Quite excited, or you know the result? The third place is backed by the Dempe College of Arts and Science, Miramar. And the second place, that is cash prize of 5,000, is backed by Angelique Coy. And the first place, a cash prize of 7,000 rupees. Any guesses? Well, you are right, Club Acoustica. Well, before we leave, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year well in advance from Team Prudent here.
Jingle bell rock, a jingle bell swing, and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing, bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has